This is AI Network News, baby.
ControlNet, the reins on the wild horse of diffusion models. ControlNet is not just an upgrade. It's the remote control to the pixel pandemonium that is stable diffusion. Originally, text-to-image models had the charm of a drunk poet, creative, unpredictable, and completely disobedient. You could say golden retriever in a tux, and get back hairy banana in a swamp. Enter ControlNet, a neural network architecture designed to inject conditional control into the generation process. Tech breakdown. Developed by L.V. Min Zhang and crew at Stanford, ControlNet connects to pre-trained diffusion backbones using zero convolutions. Yes, that's real. These zero initialized layers start with no effect, then gradually fine-tune the model without wrecking its original capabilities. You can condition outputs with edge detection, canny, human pose, segmentation maps, depth data. Basically, give stable diffusion instructions it can't ignore. ComfyUI, the rebel interface that makes ControlNet play nice. Welcome to ComfyUI, the no-fluff, open-source, node-based playground for AI generation. Think of it as the cockpit where artists, developers, and freakishly detail-obsessed control freaks, you know who you are, wire up their dream generative pipelines. Why ComfyUI is ControlNet's soulmate: visual, modular, and drag-and-drop AF. No scripting PhD required. Full native support for ControlNet modules like canny, depth, pose, etc. Supports chaining multiple conditions, blending prompts, interpolating poses, you name it. Animation compatibility? Not natively perfect, but ControlNet can still generate coherent image sequences that can be manually aligned into animations. Not just cool pics. This is real creative power. Let's not get it twisted. This isn't about making pretty art for your mom's fridge. ControlNet with ComfyUI is powering storyboard planning for animation and film, pose-preserving AI cosplay renders, product design mockups with consistent geometry and layout. And yes, AI porn creators are eating this up too. Don't act surprised. Performance and limitations. Training is solid across dataset sizes. Under 50K? Fine. Over 1 million? Still works. That's scalability done right. You can plug in multiple control nets. Pose plus edge plus depth. Go wild. Downside? Computational cost. This setup is thick. Don't expect miracles on a potato laptop. And real-time animation? Not quite. Frame-by-frame image gen with keyframe interpolation is your current best bet. ControlNet with ComfyUI is what happens when generative chaos meets artistic control. This combo isn't just a tool. It's a tactical weapon for creators who are done taking random bullshit from their AI. If you're still using raw prompts and hoping for magic, congratulations. You're doing the AI equivalent of shooting pool with a rope. This is Sierra Nakamura, signing off with one last truth bomb. The future of AI art isn't who creates more, it's who controls better. By the way, make sure to check out my co-anchor's video introduction on ComfyUI. These videos go hand in hand for anyone wanting to break into the world of creative AI.